Ah, thank you. Ginasan. Salamat.
So many years gone, still I remember. How did I ever let my heart believe in one who never gave enough to me?
And so many years gone, love that was so wrong. And I can't forget the way it used to be, and how you changed the taste of love for me. You were my one more chance.
Surprise! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, sir! Good afternoon sa'yo, Sir Jeffrey. And happy birthday! Sir, kamusta, sir? May idea po ba kayo? Kanino galing?
Hindi ko na.
Meron po ba? So, okay lang po ba? Sa ngayon, relax and enjoy this moment. And happy birthday! At dahil kaarawan niyo, sir, mayroon po kayo. Balay po kayo. Happy birthday! At syempre, dito rin siya nagtatapos. Meron din po kayong birthday cake. Pero bago ko po, sir, sundan lang po natin. Kantaan pa po namin ng birthday song. Sabayan niyo po ako. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sir, wish mo muna bago blow the candle. Happy birthday. Okay lang, sir, basahin ko. Happy 40th birthday, Batanggasak 03. Love, honey. Happy birthday.
Mabuhay ang batang kasak.
Okay ka lang, sir. At dahil kaarawan niyo, sir, meron din po itong birthday message. Pero bago ko po basahin, sir, magpakilala po muna kami. Kami nga po pala ang Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Sir Jeffrey, nandito po kami upang gawing extra special ang inyong kaarawan. Happy birthday! Pwede ka, sir, basahin ko. Happy 48th birthday to you, honey. I wish you all the best in life. I wish you to have more birthdays to come. And always healthy and of course all your dreams come true. I hope even in this simple spring surprise I can make you happy. Even I'm not there beside you. I know for you I'm not a perfect one you dream to be with because of my toyo that you can handle in the situation that you can force to happen. But still, I just want to be part of this special day of yours. Thank you for the days we shared together and I wish you all the luck. Take care always. I hope you will be matured enough, same your age. Lastly, I hope you feel that minahal kita, Batanggasak, even if the situation is so hard. Love, Batang Kuwait. Happy birthday! Sir, kamusta? Na-surprise po ba?
Apo.
Ano masasabi mo po sa sender natin?
Ah, thank you. Ginasan. Salamat.
Sa mga kaibigan ni Sir, birthday message po sa kanya? Okay lang po ba? Ano masasabi niyo po sa kanya?
Ay, birthday, birthday. Sana marami ka pang i-deliver na lemon.
Ngayon po ba talaga birthday mo, sir? Okay. So may handaan kayo dyan.
Meron po ako konti.
Okay. Sa mga kasamaan mo po, pwede po ba makita kayo sa TV? Okay lang po ba?
Oo.
Birthday message, sir. Ito po.
Happy birthday, Sir Jeff. Malusog ka pa rin araw-araw. Yun lang. Good health. Good health.
So, okay lang. Alam mo na, sir, kung kanino galing? Alam mo na yung pangalan. Sige po. Kasi po kami hindi namin alam. Okay, kung wala na pong babate, kami naman po mga staff gustong bumati sa inyo, sir. Sa'yo po, Sir Jeffrey, binabati po namin kayo ng happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness in your life. Enjoy your special day, more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Thank you po. Bigyan mo kami chocolate sa
And lastly po, sa aming sender all the way from Kuwait, in behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, lubos po kami nagpapasalamat kasi kami po ang inyong napili upang mahatid po itong sorpresa para po sa karawan ni Sir Jeffrey. Ipagpatuloy lang po ang pagmamahal sa isa't isa at lagi po kayong mag-ingat dyan sa Kuwait and sa inyo po dito. God bless po sa inyo. Sa iyo po ulit, sir. Happy birthday, sir. Enjoy your day, sir.
I never thought I'd find you were the one romance. I've always known in my mind no one will ever touch me more. I only hope
Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery. Call us at 096-685-42851.